Right guys, we're back on the Mustang, and in today's video we're gonna be installing the whole interior, and there's a lot of work. We gotta do the airbags, headliner, the seats, all the plastic like door panels and everything else. So we're gonna start probably with the airbags and then the headliner. Let me show you guys the seats that came with the car. So they're not bad, they're comfortable and everything, but I don't know, didn't feel like keeping these seats. I want everything to be darker inside, and didn't want to pay to change the airbags on this one and that one and get them stitched, so kind of decided to change them, and that's the seats they're gonna go in. I don't know if you guys like it or not, but I love them. All the plastics, the door panel, the headliner, we did change the material from original to a suede. Some people hate it, some people love it. I did it because I like it, so it's gonna be like that for now. Okay, the seats are out, and before you do the airbags, it's good to disconnect the battery, which I just did. They might blow up on you, I'm not sure, but better safe than sorry. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install the airbags. Only the roof airbags, because dashboard and the steering wheel airbags, they never deploy, so that should be easy. Guys, so yesterday was a long day for me, but I did complete the whole car inside. Luckily I had everything. Usually when you start putting all the parts together, you're missing either a clip or a screw or a plastic or something. It's always something, but this time I was lucky. I had everything. The car is 100% complete inside, except one thing. I gotta take the car to a shop and reset the airbag computer because right now the light is on. But I'll do that later. Now I want to go ahead and clean the whole car, and then I'll show you guys around how the car looks like with the new seats. And let's go. Right guys, the car is cleaned and I got it done before it got dark, so I still have a little bit of daylight to show you guys the car. Let me show you this side of the car because this is where the damage was. I don't want to walk around and show you everything because I'm pretty sure you saw a car like this a million times. But this door was pretty messed up. The door panel survived, no damage, no cracks. All the plastics over here are good, none of them got damaged. The seats, the original seats, both of them, the airbags blew up and I didn't feel like fixing them. Plus, I really like the Recaro seats and I got a good deal on them. And they're comfortable, they look good, they look clean. And I like how they're a little taller and you kind of see them from far away. Well, you see better if it's more daylight outside. Right now it's getting a little dark, so you can't really see them from outside, but yeah, they're definitely there. Really comfortable. They look clean and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Right guys, thanks for watching this video. This is a wrap for today, but stay tuned because we're coming with more videos. Subscribe to our channel, please share our videos, like them, follow us on Instagram, it's Custom Auto Build, and I'll catch you guys later.